In this video, we will be reviewing cash basis accounting in QuickBooks Online. If you are using QuickBooks Desktop, this will not apply to you. It's only applicable to QuickBooks Online. So if you report on a cash basis in QuickBooks Online, you will see an account called Unapplied Cash Income. Like the undeposited funds account, this account is automatically created by QuickBooks Online for cash basis reporting, and it cannot be deleted or changed. QuickBooks has added this account to comply with IRS reporting requirements for constructive receipt income, and this is covered in IRS Publication 538 if you want to review it. The IRS has very clear rules regarding who can and cannot use cash basis accounting. Generally, if you produce, purchase, or sell merchandise, you must keep an inventory and use an accrual method for sales and purchases of merchandise. There are exceptions, however, so definitely check with your accountant on the correct reporting method for you and make sure that that's what you are using in QuickBooks. The unapplied cash payment income account will show on your profit and loss under your income section. When the Edge posts to QuickBooks, when you make deposit, it clears your undeposited funds account. Here you can see that although the undeposited funds is zero, there's still a balance in your pass-through. This occurs because QuickBooks has made an automatic entry to the unapplied cash income account. Looking at the profit and loss report, you can see that the unapplied cash income account also has the same balance as the pass-through. All that needs to be done to correct this is to enter a journal entry that nets these two accounts. To make a journal entry, we go to the New button and click on Journal Entry. You should date the journal entry for the date that you are making the correction. To avoid making multiple journal entries throughout the month, it's recommended to make this journal entry at the end of the month when you're reconciling. The journal entry number should be different from the entry numbers that are generated by the Edge posting, which is, for example, 01 space 230228, which is 01 equaling the first journal entry for that date and the date of the entry. For example, you could still use the date, but use a dash 230228-1 or 2, etc. for the number of entries made for that month. So because I'm not at the end of the month, I'm going to go ahead and change this to 10. The journal entry would be a debit to the unapplied cash payment income. We would put in a description to clear the pass-through. And unapplied payment income. If you're on a multi-store, you can put in a store number here. Now the Edge pass-through account is considered an accounts receivable account, so you need to put a customer in here. In this case, you would always use your POS customer. And again, putting in the store number. So now, when we look at the profit and loss, we can see unapplied cash income is at 0. And going back over to the balance sheet, the pass-through is also at 0. So that's it. That's all it takes to clear these two accounts. As always, if you have any problems or need support, you can contact support or contact training at these email addresses. Thanks for watching.